Awful Saturday. There it goes.
Oh, good. What happened?
You gotta use a fat finger to press that. Reaction? Okay. Alright, so this is week 2 of the American Smooth Waltz Silver Level. Silver. Not copper. Not platinum. Alright, so we were working on the open right turn with a lunge. We reviewed everything we did last week, the open left, the running steps, and the lunge. So it was a nice half-hour brief recap, but we all needed it. We talked about, the differences between being an outside partner and close position, which we talked a little bit about last week. So now we're going to talk about the right one. Okay? So my weight being on the right, I'm going to just switch it. So I just do a 1, 2, 3. When I do that, I go from the left side to more of a right side forward position. Now as I step forward, I do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to finish with a 1, 2, 3, and then back. Let's do another lunge, and then we're ready to go. Okay, so let's do that again. So basically what we're doing here is, I'll do the leader's part on that. I'm sending my weight, changing the rotation of my upper body. I step forward, step to the side, rise. I rotate slightly, then I go back, and then I lower, rise, and then lower. Okay? Follower is doing the opposite backwards. Okay? So she's changing weight. And we have back, side, forward, lower, rise, then lower. And then from there, you do our lunge. Okay? Let's go, everybody. Thank you. How many takes was that? You're done? Awesome!